can't believe we only have 3 months left of 2024. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my earring. Today I'm going to be talking about pieces that I would like that's on my wish list and what I'm going to be wearing this fall. I've been seeing a lot of videos related to this and I was like, why not hop on board? Fall for me is an excuse to stay at home. I love me the cold season because I don't have to think of an excuse to give to anyone if I don't want to go outside. Do you get what I'm saying? Fall is very cozy, very chill, staying in cute pajamas. I love fall. I love fall fashion. It gives me an excuse to be like basic. I don't know. So I am going to be reading off of my phone. So I'm going to show you a couple pieces that I already own and I'm going to be definitely wearing this fall autumn season. We're going to start off with shoes, okay? I've been seeing that boots, knee-high boots, Wellington like rain boots coming in. I'm going to be excited to be wearing these. I absolutely love these guys. I've had this for 6 years and it's still in top-notch condition. Like, they're horse riding shoes, guys, but nevertheless, like, we love them. I feel like those will just go with anything, like shorts with tights, skirts with tights. It could go with so much. Another one that I'm so obsessed with is these loafer heels. They're a size 40. I believe 40 is like a size 5.5 and I'm a size 4. So a couple socks with these guys. These are so sexy. My all-time favorite and all-time comfort shoe is these ballet flats. Guys, I am obsessed with these ballet flats. As you can see, look how worn out they are. These are literally coming with me everywhere. I am going to order a white version of this with like a cute bow. I also have these Charles & Keith. I'll put it here. I have it in my wardrobe. I just can't be asked to just run back there and get it. But they are easy to slip on ballet flats. Like, they're so comfortable. Obviously my Dina Sambas, that is literally going everywhere with me. So those are the shoes that I'm definitely going to be wearing this fall autumn. Quick story time. Grand afternoon, I decided to put my Uggs outside to dry, okay? My Uggs have been beaten the hell up and I decided let it dry outside, let it breathe, and I put it outside. Everybody left the house. It was a glorious afternoon where the sun was shining. I could literally feel the rays of the sun like hitting every part of my skin. And I was like, you know what, let me just leave these shoes out here a little bit longer, okay? We're gonna go out and then we're gonna come back, and when I come back I'll take them and, you know, put them away. We're literally on the road now, yeah? Tell me why. In 0.2 seconds, it started raining cats and dogs outside. I just couldn't imagine the fact that 2 seconds ago I was literally complaining I'm not gonna bring a jacket outside because I am roasting, okay? 2 seconds later, it started lashing. Like, I just don't understand the Irish weather. It has bipolar disorder and I just can't be asked to monitor it all the time. So therefore my Uggs were literally sitting in the rain. It was just getting beat left, right, center, okay? And my Uggs are ruined. Now I would need new ones. Obviously, if I had them right now, I would be adding it to this collection because those Uggs were literally all I wore last fall. Now we're gonna bring in a little bit of fashion. I'm gonna cop a lot more of these, guys. This is the best material for a top I've ever experienced in my life, okay? I'll be wearing this quite a bit. I think I got it from PLT a long time ago. I think. No, I got it from H&M a long time ago. And I know I'm gonna definitely be wearing this because like the turtleneck vibe. And I got these jeans. I needed a pair that wasn't skinny. It looks good on, but the quality feels poor when I put it on. I have been loving this light wash jeans, guys. I literally wear it all the time now, ever since I got it. Any jeans like this wide leg, is gonna be such a vibe with small tees, knits, or like cardigans or anything. This is literally another staple. Work trousers. I've been wearing it regularly even though I'm not going to work. It's just so comfortable and I'm definitely going to be grabbing a pair of these in black. I think I prefer the one that I got in H&M. I'll show you a picture of that one too. I feel like that one there's more room to like move and stuff, and this one has a cinch back but the other one doesn't, and I like the feel and the look on that one a little bit more. Now we're gonna go into jacket. I've been obsessed with this cardigan, guys. Oh my wow, like it's just super cute, literally so warm. I love it so much. I literally love this jacket. It's super long and very heavy. That's the tea, like it will keep you super warm throughout this whole fall winter, because it's not too cold outside but then it's not warm either. I don't think anybody expects like Shein's quality to be like so good, but when I found this, guys, but then it was £30 on Shein. I've had this for 3 years and it's still in perfect condition. So those are the things that I have that I will definitely be wearing. Now for my fall wish list. I've literally become a screenshotting maniac. We're gonna start off with shoes again. I really want my Uggs, okay? I want my Uggs back. I'd also want the Adidas Original Campus in grey. There are these white ballet flats from Cider. Literally is so cute. I want it. Moving on to bags, I saw this really cute bag from Charles & Keith. I call it an auntie bag, but it's like a work bag. It's the Sansa tote bag and I want it in the chocolate color. It screams you're prepared for life, you know? And then I saw the Machina tote bag. Guys, tell me this bag isn't beautiful. If I can get my hands on it like this fall, amazing. I have been wanting this bag for like almost 4 years, but I've never gotten around to purchasing it myself. This bag is not cute. This bag is super cute and I need a white bag. First of all, if I can get my hands on any of these 3 this year, chef's kiss. So I found a couple jackets from Zara that I'm going to definitely be purchasing, and it's this leather jacket, black leather jacket. I need a long trench coat leather jacket, and then you know that big fur coat everybody was wearing last year? Yeah, I'm getting that too. Now we're gonna move on to pajamas because Shein does the best like pieces for nightwear. It looks like a dress, but guys, I want to feel sexy while I'm going to bed, okay? It looks super cute and I want it in white and black. And then they're like silk nightgowns as well. I love this brown gown, like it just looks so chic and so nice, and I want it. This year was one hell of a year. I've achieved so much, but I just didn't see it at the time. But I've come a long way and I can't wait to turn 24 and just keep going. But those are the items that I want in terms of like clothing and shoes and bags. For perfume, because I want to be smelling like a cutesy, I would want this perfume, Jasmine Rouge. Is something that I've been eyeing and something that I've been loving, and it'd be just so good for the fall. Like it's very sweet yet subtle, very sexy but cute. Okay, so for the skincare, guys, I want to try the Rhode skincare line. Okay, I want to try it. I want to get everything in that whole collection. I want it. And then I also want to try the toner from the line that I have, the Revitalift line by L'Oreal. I have the night cream, the day cream, serum, and the face wash, the gel wash. And I really want to add the toner to the collection because, guys, it's been doing wonders for my skin ever since I've been using it. As you all know, I am revamping this whole room to make it my own, and I don't think I'll have it completed by the end of this year. It's not looking possible because girl still hasn't found a job. Okay, I have started painting. As you can see, the walls are so much cleaner now than they were before. I'd also want to get a nook to cover the radiator. How I designed it was to incorporate drawers into the nook so that I can put my makeup here, and you know, while I'm filming it'll just be easy to access everything. I need to buy a few equipments for that as well. There's so many things. I don't even know if I will be able to get everything, but if I can get like 1 or 2 things on there, I'll be so happy. So yeah, I want to know what your 2024 wish list is looking like. If you can drop it down in the comments, that would be awesome. I can't believe we only have 3 months left of 2024. So what have I been getting up to this week? I've been practicing doing my nails, guys. These are literally the best I've done so far. I literally posted a shorts on it. I also had my first client yesterday and I did her nails too, and it's super cute as well. I have 2 more people to do later on this week, so I'll also be sharing the process of that too. I also want to do a fall autumn lookbook, just 5 simple outfits on what you might have at home already. I'm in the process of filming that video too. Hopefully I land a job so that I can up my content. I'm also going to be posting lookbook reels on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts and my TikTok as well. If you can follow those, I'd be super grateful. Thanks for watching this week's video. Hopefully I can catch you next week. Like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, bye.